Hello. Today I'm going to give you a few tips on what to pack when you're getting ready for college. I would first pack all of my essentials, self care, some soap, my face moisturizer, all the go tos, some sunscreen for sure. It gets hot out here, man. But yeah, make sure you have all your self care essentials, everything that makes you feel good, everything that makes you smell good. Have that on deck. The next thing I would bring is obviously some clothes. Got to be able to wear some clothes, man. But don't overpack, don't overdo it. You're only going to be here for a few months, so definitely bring a variety of clothing so you have, your favorite fits for the fall, but you also have your favorite fits for the spring. Also, you don't need many shoes. Bring something comfortable, something a little fly, maybe some J's, some Sambas, if you will. Bring a flip flop. I love my socks and sandals. It gets me going. It's my go-to every day. But have a good 2 or 3 pair of shoes that are your go-to, most comfortable. You can walk around in. You'll be going from class to class. You might hang out with your friends. You might play sports. So make sure you have the things that are comfortable and work for you. Bedding. It is important to bring your bedding. Sleeping on a twin XL, it's not your usual. You might be used to a good queen size bed. Make sure you bring something to comfort yourself. So if that's a mattress topper, extra blankets, a few pillows, I say bring it. And then next, I would bring all of my cleaning and cooking essentials. So, feel free to bring your pots and pans and your forks and knives. Goucher has many kitchenettes throughout the first year village. You can just, chef up something real quick. Bring some dish soap, some rags, some towels, maybe a few sponges, if you will. Definitely some bleach. Make some bleach water. You want to be able to disinfect and clean everything, clean up after yourself. It's very encouraged here to, make sure you're taking care of yourself and taking care of your space. Laundry detergent, softeners, make sure you bring those. Goucher does offer students laundry, so definitely some hangers. Hangers come in clutch. I'm not gonna lie. Also, make sure to bring all of your electronics that you might need or want. Your laptop, your TV, your phone. Obviously, you're gonna need your phone. Definitely some headphones. I would always suggest some headphones. But it's very important to have, especially a laptop. If you don't have one, Goucher does offer laptops. They have a laptop locker in the library. But if you have your own electronics, please, please, please bring your own electronics. It comes in clutch and it is very helpful. Definitely bring your notebooks. You're gonna be in classes starting the first couple weeks that you settle in. So, your first day of classes, make sure you have your folders, your binders, your notebooks, your pens and pencils, a ruler maybe depending on your major if you're STEM or in art. But if you don't have those things, we have our college store, so you can always run down there and grab some of those. It's nice to be prepared, so make sure you have all of your academic needs. And lastly, I would bring some decor. You want to make it your space when you get into your dorm room. You might have a roommate who also might want to decorate too, so maybe you guys can collab, but make it your space. You're going to be here for the next couple months. You want to make it feel like this is where you belong and this is where you need to be. So make sure to bring some decor. Really allow yourself to get comfortable, settle in, and make your own space. So, yeah, those are some things that I would bring to college with me. Let me know down in the comments what else you would bring to school.